Lead retractable electric gate handle, designed specifically for electric fence entrances. Made from high-strength plastic and metal, sturdy and durable, ensures long-term use even outdoors. Installation is simple, just align the holes and snap the latch into place. Even beginners can do it with ease. Secure one end of the heart-shaped metal wire to the fence rope. Connect the other end to the reel. Pull the handle. 10-meter barrier rope automatically extends. One-handed operation, easy entry and exit. Automatic retraction design eliminates the risk of people or animals tripping. Open or close the gate without cutting off power to the entire fence. Ensures the fence's defensive capabilities. Retractable electric gate handle. Practical, simple, safe. The ideal solution for electric gate entrances.